Reality television often serves up its share of heartwarming moments, emotional breakthroughs, and unexpected twists. But few moments have blended eerie atmosphere with romantic intentions quite like Amy Slayton's recent engagement. Known widely as one half of TLC's breakout reality hit 1000 lb. Sisters, Amy has been a fan favorite since the show's debut for her honest personality, her journey through weight loss, and her unwavering love for her family. Now, she's capturing headlines again, this time, not for her health journey, but for a hauntingly romantic proposal that feels like something straight out of a gothic love story. It all began on a fog-drenched October evening in a quiet Kentucky town that locals often say is spooky even on a good day. Amy's boyfriend, whose identity had been kept under wraps until recently, planned a proposal that could only be described as unconventional, creative, and a little ghostly. Drawing inspiration from Amy's well-documented love for horror movies, Halloween decor, and all things spooky, he orchestrated a night that would chill the bones and warm the heart at the same time. The setting: an abandoned farmhouse rumored to be haunted, complete with creaky floorboards, shattered windows, ivy-covered walls, and flickering lanterns that cast long shadows across the crumbling stone walls. The location had long been whispered about in local legends, with tales of apparitions in the attic and a piano that plays itself in the dead of night. Amy's fiancé knew that she would appreciate the theatricality and thrill of such a locale. But he went above and beyond to ensure the moment was as memorable as it was meaningful. Amy arrived under the pretense of filming a Halloween-themed social media video. Always game for a bit of spooky fun, she dressed for the occasion in a black dress adorned with jack-o'-lantern patterns, her make-up accented with deep, dramatic tones. She was guided through a candle-lit path surrounded by pumpkins carved with messages that hinted at their shared memories, inside jokes, and tender sentiments. First McDonald's date, read 1. Your laugh is my favorite sound, read another. The final pumpkin bore the words, turn around. When Amy turned around, there he was, her boyfriend down on one knee, holding a custom-designed coffin-shaped ring box. The ring itself was Gothic in style, a black diamond set in a dark silver band, encircled with tiny blood-red rubies. The proposal was simple, heartfelt, and delivered with a voice trembling with emotion. Amy, my love, you are the light that haunts my heart in the best way. Will you be my forever ghost? Amy was overwhelmed. Tears welled in her eyes as she nodded furiously before she could even speak. She later told reporters and fans on a live stream, it was spooky, romantic, weird, and just so me. I wouldn't have wanted it any other way. The couple embraced under the cracked ceiling of the house, the dim glow of the lanterns flickering around them as though the spirits of the house were giving their blessing. This proposal comes after a tumultuous few years for Amy, who has been candid about her challenges in life, from her struggles with weight and body image to her emotional journey through motherhood and the breakdown of her marriage with Michael Halterman. Fans of 1000 lb. Sisters have seen Amy grow and evolve, facing each new obstacle with resilience and humor. Her engagement is not only a personal victory but a symbol of her ongoing quest to find balance, happiness, and love on her own terms. The public first speculated about Amy's new relationship several months ago, when she began posting cryptic captions on TikTok and Instagram. Smiley selfies, dark romantic quotes, and glimpses of a mysterious man's tattooed arm all fueled curiosity. In one video, Amy was seen dancing in her kitchen with a shadowy figure just out of frame. Ain't nobody gonna steal my spooky heart, she captioned it with a winking emoji. It was clear she was smitten, but few could have predicted just how unique her love story would become. Amy's fiancé, whom she later introduced to fans as Tony, is a horror film enthusiast and Halloween fanatic himself, and the couple quickly bonded over their mutual love for everything creepy and campy. Tony is reportedly a carpenter who specializes in creating custom horror props and set pieces, AP. Profession that dovetails perfectly with Amy's interest in DIY decorations and creative video content. Their shared passion has already sparked collaborative ideas for a Halloween-themed YouTube series that they are developing together, tentatively titled, Spooky Hearts. Quote, reactions to the proposal were immediate and passionate. Fans flooded Amy's social media with congratulatory messages, fan art, and even their own spooky love stories. TLC producers were reportedly caught off guard by the surprise engagement and are now working quickly to incorporate footage of TH's proposal into upcoming episodes of 1000 LB Sisters. An insider revealed, this is the kind of moment reality TV dreams of. It's authentic, weirdly beautiful, and completely in character for Amy. Viewer are going to eat it up. Quote, there's also talk of a Halloween-themed wedding, which Amy has openly hinted at. I want fog machines, black roses, fake cobwebs, maybe even a cake shaped like Dracula's castle, she said in a Q&A session. And I want my boys to be little vampires in tuxes. Amy's sons, Gage and Glenn, are reportedly thrilled about the engagement, and Tony has already built strong relationships with them, often bringing over handcrafted toys and helping them build cardboard haunted houses. Amy's sister Tammy, who has had her own emotional journey on the show, was one of the first to publicly congratulate the couple. Amy deserves happiness more than anyone I know, Tammy said in a video post. She's been through hell and back and still manages to smile, crack jokes, and love with her whole heart. Tony, you better treat her right, or I'll haunt you myself. Fans of 1000 LB Sisters have long admired Amy's ability to remain herself amid fame, criticism, and life's curveballs. Her spooky engagement is another chapter in a life that continues to defy expectations and break stereotypes. Far from the traditional fairy tale proposal, this one spoke to individuality, self-expression, and finding joy in the unexpected. But beyond the spectacle, the proposal highlighted something deeper, Amy's ability to embrace her quirks and find someone who loves her not in spite of them, but because of them. It was a proposal that said, I see you, I get you, and I want to haunt this world with you. As wedding planning kicks off, fans are already speculating about what the ceremony will look like. Will there be a haunted maze aisle? Will the officiant dress like Frankenstein? Will guests be encouraged to wear costumes? If Amy has her way, it will be a celebration that merges her passion for the macabre with her boundless love for family, laughter, and life. It's unclear how much of the wedding will be shared with audiences, but given the fan response and TLC's penchant for our memorable storylines, it's likely that viewer will get a front row seat. For now, Amy is basking in the glow of her engagement, and maybe a few ghostly glimmers from the haunted house where it all began. Her journey, as seen on 1000 LB Sisters, has always been more than a story about weight loss. It's about transformation, self-acceptance, family bonds, and the search for love in all its forms. With this spooky engagement, Amy has once again reminded us that love doesn't always come wrapped in wit. Lace and candlelight. Sometimes, it comes with cobwebs, jack-o'-lanterns, and the echo of ghost stories in the air. In a world where celebrity proposals often feel scripted or overly staged, Amy Slayton's engagement stands out not just for its unusual setting but for its sincerity. It felt true to who she is, funny, a little spooky, and always heartfelt. As she put it in her own words, I didn't need a fairy tale. I needed a nightmare I could dream in forever. And I found it. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.